Hey everyone, good morning. Today I discuss new topic that is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense today we are going to discuss. Okay? How to use present continuous tense while you are speaking in English. Many students and many people have confusion about this tense. Okay? Present continuous tense has two important situations. The first situation is to talk about present continued activities. Present continued activities means the action which is going on. The work is going on. For example, I am teaching, you are listening my class. And one more situation is to talk about future plan. What's your future plan? Say, for example, I am going to Bangalore tomorrow. I am doing MBA next month. When you talk about your future plan also, this tense we can use. Then what about the sentence formation? Structure. Structure means how to make sentence. Let's take here first I, after I am a negative amend verb plus ing plus others. This is one structure. Second structure is he, she, it. Is, isn't, verb plus ing plus other words. We, you, they. We use are, negative form aren't, verb plus ing plus other words. These three structures we are using in present continuous tense. I am, negative, I am not. Verb, any verb plus ing is added. I am going to college. I am going to college. This is one example. So here, I am going to college means work is going on. I am on the way. Negative sentences, I am not going to college. This is negative sentence. Next structure is about third person. He, she, it. These are third person. He means your friend. Okay. Brother, uncle, principal. Okay. So now I take friend. My friend. My friend is reading newspaper. My friend is reading newspaper. Negative sentences. My friend is not reading newspaper. So when you talk about friend, no, we use helping verb is. My friend is reading newspaper. Negative sentences, my friend is not reading. But common mistakes, lots of people do. My friend reading, my friend not reading. These are not correct sentence. What is the correct sentence? My friend is reading newspaper. Negative formation is my friend is not reading newspaper. Is it clear? Now, when we take third person plural, we are watching movie. Negative sentence, we are not watching movie. You are watching movie. You are not watching movie. They are watching movie. They are not. They, it is used for third person plural word. For example, children, people, staff members, brothers, sisters. When you refer these particular words, no, when we can use they for second time. First time we use directly children, people, friends, brothers, sister. Second time you are talking about the same people, you will use they. They are going to college. They are not going to. When you use present continuous tense means when action is going on. When action is going up, this tense is used. Another situation is future plan. Whatever your plan you have, those plans you are talking, then we can use. For example, I am going to Hyderabad tomorrow. So tomorrow why it is used? Tomorrow is future. This doubt will come to everybody's mind. So here, future is uncertain, plan is confirmed. When you are talking about a plan, you can use this tense. When you talk about future, like I shall go to Hyderabad tomorrow, it is not confirmed. Maybe, may not be. But I am going to Hyderabad tomorrow, it is confirmed. You are going there. So when you talk about future plan, you can use present continuous tense. But helping verbs you should use properly. English language is a language of helping verb and verb. If you use properly helping verb and verb, your sentences are giving right meaning to listeners. I hope you understood present continuous tense. You do practice. How you can practice means just think about what you are doing. For example, I am teaching English grammar. What about your friend? My friend is reading newspaper. What about your mother? My mother is preparing food. What about your father? My father is taking rest. Okay, what about your friends? My friends are playing cricket. Just imagine what your friends are doing, what you are doing, what is your friend doing. Then we can use this tense. Did you understand? So in the next class, we can discuss about how present perfect tense is used. There are four tense in present. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous. Each tense has a specific situation. And today's tense situation is to talk about actions which are going on. I hope you understood. In the next class, we will discuss about present perfect tense. Kindly, I request all the viewers of this video to share these videos to your friends and also get subscribed so that you can get next videos. So you will learn English grammar in a very easy and also effortless way. I can reach to many people. That's what it is my request to all the viewers. You should share this video to all your friends and family members and also subscribe this channel so that you can get number of videos which